Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. Shiba Inu is Apple's secret $14 plan. Breaking news from Shiba Inu today. With a market cap of approximately $6.5 billion, Shiba Inu is the second largest meme coin in the world. At the time of this writing, one token was trading at 11 cents hours, remaining relatively unchanged from the previous day. Since most conventional financial markets in the Americas and Europe were closed for Good Friday, trading in cryptocurrency exchanges on Friday was minimal. Discussing Apple's 14.68. To cut to the chase, the video is about to start. The last U.S. labor market report for March was mainly expected, hence, the crypto market did not experience any significant breakouts. Even though rival meme coin Dogecoin is seeing sell pressure due to Twitter deleting the Dogecoin logo as its main logo on the platform, Shiba Inu is currently holding its own. For the most part, that's due to the fact that Shiba Inu, whose logo is distinct from Dogecoin's, was never in favor of Twitter adopting the Dogecoin logo. Compared to its prior weekly highs in the 0.000170 range, SHIB is down about 6.5%. However, it is still up about 13% from last month's under 0.10 lows. Historical norms have kept the price of Shiba Inu relatively flat in recent weeks, and the 200-day moving average has taken on the role of a magnet, suggesting that the market is still unsure of its direction. But if the cryptocurrency market as a whole is heading upwards, Shiba Inu's year-to-date gain might continue into the new year. There has been a 35% increase in the value of Shiba Inu since the beginning of the year. The technical picture for the cryptocurrency in the near future lends credence to this claim. Shiba Inu frequently forms an ascending triangle pattern just before a bullish breakout. Despite continuing to encounter resistance in the 0.000170 area, SHIB has been tracing a rising trend line from the March lows, initiating a push higher towards the previous yearly highs in the 0.00016 area, which would represent a 45% upside from current levels, might be triggered by a breakout to the north of 0.170 resistance. With over 100,000 messages sent since the launch, social activity on the Discord server has also increased. Just 1 month after being launched by Shiyoshi Kusama, the head of the Shiba Inu project, the new Shibarium Discord server specifically for the Shiba Inu community is experiencing tremendous growth. In only 2 weeks, the server has grown to almost 7,000 users. You may remember that on March 24th, when the massive FUD effort that divided the Shiba Inu camp was resolved, Kusama revealed the server. The former Shiba Inu Discord server was the birthplace of the false belief. Kusama addressed his incompetence and welcomed the community's well-wishers to the new server. The Discord server is one of the fastest growing, having witnessed over 100,000 messages with up to 6. The server provides a secure environment where members of the community can interact with one another, share information, and stay updated on anything happening with Shibarium and Shiba Inu. To make them possible, it has a plethora of channels. There are specific channels for things like official Shibarium announcements, safety alerts, NFTs, the metaverse, Shibarium validators, support, scam alerts, charts, and general ship talk. Several languages are supported by the channel's dedicated servers. In addition, the community came up with the Discord XP giveaway program to promote individual involvement in the server and community. The goal of the program is to acknowledge and incentivize community involvement in the Shiba Inu camp. One anonymous member of the SHIB's community won the first prize on April 2nd after the introduction of the bugs. The plan states that whoever wins the weekly exclusive role of Ship Army Legend on the server will receive 1,000 Discord experience points. The group is considering enhancing the rewards for those who succeed. Members of the community suggest deserving individuals for awards, and the program incentivizes positive behavior on the server. Due to its low pricing and affiliation with Dogecoin, Shiba Inu has become widely known. But the token's value has plummeted because of the whale sell-off. There is current support at 0.105 and resistance at 0.1129 for SHIB, with a price of 1. Also, a whale sold SHIB tokens worth more than $56 million, which caused the price to drop significantly. One possible explanation for the sell-off could be the absence of specific applications for SHIB. Although the token has become more well-known, investors are less interested since it does not now have a substantial use case. Furthermore, investors may have shifted their capital away from SHIB and towards more stable tokens due to the market's instability. But after the asset's phenomenal price performance and the growth of a strong and enthusiastic community, it started to attract the interest of famous people all over the world. When SHIB was trading between 0.000000000000000099 and 0.030 in April 2021, prominent American musician and Backstreet Boys member Nick Carter started talking about it. Carter tweeted about the token on April 17, 2021, seeking clarification. For those unfamiliar, the Shiba token is. Carter quickly followed up the tweet by revealing that, after conducting extensive research on the subject, SHIB had become one of his 4 favorite crypto assets. In the same month, he went live on Twitch to talk about Shib Inu. In a tweet dated May 8, 2021, the American artist shared his enthusiasm for the asset's run amidst Shiba Inu's 2021 rally. An American actor, personal trainer, bodybuilder, and actor named Kai Green expressed interest in Shib Inu 1 month following Carter. On May 17, 2021, Green predicted an ambitious price objective for SHIB, which was one of his earliest mentions of the asset. That was the day that SHIB saw it skyrocket to 0.1. At that point, Green's advocacy for Shiba Inu became increasingly obvious in his incessant promotion of the asset. He even went so far as to call himself King Kai, defender of Shiba Inu and the SHIB army. Another American who expressed interest in SHIB 2 years ago was Antonio Brown, a retired professional footballer. It was only in a single tweet from May 12, 2021 that Brown, in contrast to Kai Green and Nick Carter, backed Shiba Inu, predicting that SHIB's price movement will make it the next Dogecoin. Even though she was late to the party, American actor and rapper Tracy Ice Tomorrow backed SHIB in